The most important thing about the Collaborative Evaluation and Research Centre is that it actually works in collaboration with a number of agencies right across. Because we're a regional university, we can make a significant difference to regional communities. The projects that we're engaged with really range from very much in that health and wellbeing space, from OC health and safety projects, right through to maternal and child health, to education projects. So everything that we do, decisions we make, right through to the data that we're collecting is done in collaboration with the agency in which is doing the initiative.
We've worked with Jo and her team on a number of different projects. So we've done some work around the youth space and around the impacts of COVID on young people across Latrobe City. We worked very closely with Jo and her team to develop the evaluation, and we were delighted with the results. We wanted to make sure that what we're doing is actually having an impact, but also it helps for us to be able to receive more funding if we've been able to prove that what we're doing is worthy of future funding and that is having the impact that we had hoped. She knows what we do, she understands our organisation, she understands what we're trying to achieve, so it makes it so much easier.
It's a unique centre because its focus is on evaluation and really taking those skills and capacity building with the agencies as well. We have a number of experts that work in research and evaluation across the university, and we call those people into each of those projects. It has a real translational impact on the agencies and communities in which we are engaging with.